Well, we were in the middle of moving offices from Santa Ana to Irvine, and I saw an ad for nature in a publication. And I just loved the way it looked. It was very clean, a lot of natural light coming through it. Segregate or isolate the view only to the office kind of seems like it's a shame to do that. So it allows the natural light to flow through the whole office, but then it also provides the privacy. And acoustically, when you shut the door, it's surprisingly quiet inside the office. And for us, it's really all about the employees, and you know, we spend a lot of time at work, so we want a nice, clean, comfortable place to work. And I mean, that's one part of it. The other part of it is that we really have a lot of architects and designers, and we have clients in here a lot.
I think the warmth of the wood and it just feels warmer and feels more natural than aluminum or a metal. And with the storefront, being able to incorporate the wood into it just kind of gives a nice frame to having a functional open office front, but then also having that wood there to just warm up the space.
I think it was really a kind of a simple process. It was really great that the pieces came in 12-foot lengths, and we were able to customize it to our exact specs that we needed. And seeing as how the track is already mounted inside the piece, it just made installation simple. We didn't have to start with raw wood and figure out, you know, whether we're going to make it 3 inches or 2 inches and have that right clearance for our pieces to fit in there. It's just a matter of mounting it and hanging it up. I really haven't seen anything similar to it. Most things are made out of metal, and it has a metal frame, and then you end up cladding it with wood, which takes, you know, twice as long. Installing the upper track, you know that you're going to be in the right spot, because once you screw it in, you hang the door on and you're good to go.